What's up, guys? So I'm going to be showing you a quick tutorial on how to pair an iPhone to a Ford car. This should work with most types of cars, and this is on like a Ford Explorer 2024. So I'm just going to be showing you how to pair the Apple CarPlay to this car. So let's get started. So first on your car, you're going to go into the app section and then Apple CarPlay. And then it's going to show all the recent phones and just hit connect.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
Okay, so now that the car is kind of in pairing mode for Apple CarPlay, you're going to take your iPhone. So then on your iPhone, this is the iPhone 16 Pro, you're just going to go ahead and open your settings and search CarPlay. It will be found in the general settings, and it'll basically tell you how to pair it, but if you follow the instructions I showed you, you'll be all set. So, Ford Expedition, so go ahead and just press on that. Then
confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So it's going to just ask you to confirm the pin. So let's see. Both are correct. So pair and confirm on your screen. Yes. Waiting for iPhone. Pairing successful. So connect to
For
CarPlay.
your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Okay, so go ahead and hit connect. Okay, so just ignore that. So basically it's just saying that Apple might collect your data and stuff, so just hit enable if you're okay with that. And let's see, connect to Apple CarPlay, and there, you're all set, and that's how you connect it. And then on your iPhone, you can go ahead and just hit the car, and you can customize certain things about this car, or the things you want, so you can show different apps, you can minimize certain apps, and on your screen, you can go ahead and hit, just go through and access all of your apps. And it's kind of glitchy, but it honestly, I think it works pretty great. It's not something that someone's going to be scrolling on while they're driving, but it's pretty nice. You can access music and stuff like that. So yeah, that is how you set up the Apple CarPlay on a Ford car. Hope that helps. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video, and I'll see you then. Bye, guys.